I salute the Indian Army, I salute our Prime Minister. This is India's revenge. India had to react to what happened in Pahalgam. 26 innocents of our country lost their lives in front of their wives and children. We had 26/11. We have IC-814 hijack. We've had attack on Parliament. We have had the Pulwama attacks. What is all this lead up to? It shows that India is being constantly attacked from Pakistani soil by the terrorists, and also they are attacking on religious grounds. This is very, very, very unacceptable, and it was high time that Pakistan, they got a message in Balakot, but they did not understand that India is capable of doing much more. And that has been demonstrated last night with Operation Sindoor. And I am very happy also that the government did a calibrated attack. Unlike them, we did not target innocent civilians. We targeted the factories of terror and the masterminds of terror. Now, I can see total support for India, right from the United States to Russia, Germany, Japan, you name it. And even China has not really spoken out against this. I would think that the world community should engage with Pakistan, not with India, because India has acted responsibly. But they should engage with Pakistan, that if they dare to try to attack India in any way, not only will they be crushed, but it will also have severe consequences for them and the rest of the world also. Therefore, I think it is time that the world community also puts the right pressure on Pakistan and finishes off this permanent menace of terror, at least from Indian side. The people who mocked the Indian Army, Air Force and Navy for their defense preparedness and the equipment they were buying and all the other things, I think they should shut up permanently. They should never question. After all, how can we question what our defense forces are doing? They are the true patriots who are always keeping us 24/7 secure. We are able to sleep well. We are able to do our work. The country is able to progress, all because our borders are safe and secure. And whoever has questioned in the past and now should understand that henceforth we should always show the highest patriotism by not attacking our defense preparedness.